Hey guys, welcome back to another Aviation Year Trip Report. Today I'm here in sunny San Francisco to fly on the new Southwest Airlines. Late January of 2026 marked a turning point for Southwest's business model, with the end of open seating, free bags, and the introduction of different premium options. Is Southwest still competitive over more premium carriers, or are these changes potentially the end of their loyal fan base? Join me on the short hop down to LA to find out. After a short visit with a friend, it was time to head back into Terminal 2, but that wasn't complete without a little extra commentary.
Emotional damage!
Anyways, Southwest landside experience is one of the few aspects of the airline that remains unchanged. Check-in can be completed online or through the Southwest app, and passengers can print their boarding passes and bag tags at self-serve kiosks. It is worth noting that Southwest has moved from Terminal 1 to the Terminal 2D gates, which was in order to make room for Alaska's expanding SFO hub operations.
Nice.
While I head through TSA, let's take a minute to dive into what's new with Southwest. Aside from a cabin refresh with extra legroom seats, Southwest has introduced a whole new fare tier system. Each class has a set of different benefits and restrictions. The now economy class includes basic, choice, and choice preferred, which all share the same baggage allowance of one carry-on and a personal item. Checked luggage will run you $45 for the first bag and $55 for the second. The difference from basic to choice is the addition of complimentary seat selection, and from choice to choice preferred being access to seats closer to the front of the aircraft. Choice Extra has replaced the previously known Business Select, with benefits including 2 complimentary checked bags, priority boarding, and access to extra legroom seating. In my opinion, the changes could be worse, as I was fully expecting a ban on any rolling luggage for basic fares. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider subscribing to my Patreon. Business class members get week early access to new content, help decide future trip reports, and member shoutouts. Thanks to Patreon member Janet for supporting this video. Links are in the description below. Now let's get back to the new Southwest. And here's my ride to Los Angeles. November 88210 Sierra, a 3-year-old Boeing 737 MAX 8 powered by 2 CFM LEAP 1B engines, delivered new to Southwest in November of 2022.
Do not have enough baggage for this flight, so therefore we may not have ample bin space for all the roller bags. So if you can volunteer to check in your roller bags.
Another notable change to the Southwest experience is the boarding process. With the retirement of open seating, Southwest no longer needs their system of lettered and numbered podiums. Boarding is now conducted in 8 groups, with priority assigned based on fare class.
Thank you.
And welcome aboard Southwest's new MAX 8. Unfortunately, I wasn't lucky enough today to try the new cabin interior, but all Southwest aircraft layouts have been reworked regardless. The new MAX 8s are now fitted out in still a single-class configuration, with 175 economy seats, however 46 of which have an additional 5 inches of pitch. Standard economy seats have a generous 32 inches of pitch, and also feature USB Type A and C power, adjustable headrests, standard recline, sturdy tray tables, and individual air vents.
gentlemen. And for those of you just joining us, welcome on board. We're gonna be pretty close to being full.
And before long, it was time to push back and blast out of the Bay Area from runway 01 left.
So you got tray tables in the full right lock position, all the carrier items are completely stowed and everything completely clear. Leaving clear for departure.
Our route today had us departing San Francisco to the northeast. We then turned south and followed the California coast to Los Angeles, making downwind and shooting the ILS 2 right approach into LAX. Total flight time today was 52 minutes, cruising at 35,000 feet. Shortly after reaching 10,000 feet, the cabin crew began the in-flight service. Passengers were offered juices, coffee, tea, and a variety of soft drinks to choose from. We were also offered Southwest New Maui onion pretzel snacks, which are quite tasty. I did also notice that passengers seated in extra legroom seats seemed to get the perk of choosing from a basket of brand name snacks, so take that for what you will. And now onto Southwest's in-flight entertainment. Passengers can stream movies, shows, live TV, and music to their own devices through the Southwest app. The entertainment portal does also have an interactive flight map, which is a necessity for av geeks like me. Southwest has also rolled out free in-flight Wi-Fi, which is lovely to see. However, that's of course assuming it's actually usable. Well, surprisingly, I did manage to get a few texts sent, and Flight Radar 24 did manage to load. Quite alright, and still far superior to American's interface. Before long, the sun was set, and we began our descent into Los Angeles.
Your entire flight crew would like to be the first ones to welcome to Los Angeles LAX International Airport. For your safety and the safety of those around you.
And the cost breakdown is on the screen now. I did travel on an award trip today, as I had purchased this flight using my Southwest Rapid Rewards frequent flyer points. Overall, today's flight with Southwest was a pretty pleasant experience. While I am still pretty disappointed with the removal of open seating and free bags, I do feel that Southwest facilitated this shift to assigned seating and new fare tiers quite well. I would say their product does still have some competition to other premium options out there like Delta, United, and JetBlue, but with a big caveat. They will need to keep their prices down, especially on longer routes like between Dallas Love and Los Angeles. I've seen this route go for up to $350 one way when the competition is at or below $280. In my eyes, it's hard to justify flying Southwest when you can just take Delta Main Basic for a similar or even lower price. In conclusion, I think it's best you weigh your options carefully. Southwest is still offering a solid product, it's just not worthy of a mainline premium price tag. Just make sure you're getting what you're paying for.
Kilometers across check arrival.
Bye-bye, thank you. Bye-bye, thank you.
May I have your attention, please? All travelers, if any unknown person attempts to give you any item, including...
That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.